it's me, Jonah. I'm gonna open the mystery egg. Jack,
Go back.
can you help me open this, Uncle? Jack? Hard.
Put it towards the table. Always, just keep it on the table, always. Yeah. So they can see it. I'll help you.
Thanks, Jack. It's really hard.
I gotta get a knife. Why don't you read it out? Read what's in it. Tell them.
There's a mystery tattoos, there's a mystery stickers, there's a mystery figure, there's a mystery squishy, there's a mystery
I got the knife.
And there's also a Ryan's mystery
Don't move.
card.
Don't move. Look at this.
Kids, don't use a knife at home. Ask a parent.
That's right. That's good safety. Good safety advice, Joe. Watch out, Falcor.
And also, if there's a pet here, say, move please, because it's really going to be careful, or else it will hurt one of your pets. Right, guys?
Let's unravel it. Go unravel it. Unravel it. Unravel the egg. Mystery. It's a mystery. Watch out, bud.
I don't want you to die like Sour, right?
Move over. You're not in the video.
I'm in the video. It's my turn. It's, huh? Open it. What is it? I opened the bottom. Whoa. Are these pop cans? Are these pop cans, guys? Look at this. Let's see what's in this one. Let's see what's in this.
Just do one though, because after that one, we got to open those other ones because we got to go to bed. We got school tomorrow. Here, I'll open that if you can't do it. While you open the other ones. No, it's not good. You use your teeth, remember?
Oh yeah.
I tell you all the time.
Look at the vehicle.
Whoa, what's that? A Ryan's World Jeep?
It's a Ranger Jeep, guys.
Pull it out. Let's see it.
Shoot.
Whoa. Whoa. There must be a figurine in there too. Maybe there's a guy that goes in the Jeep.
Yeah, he does.
Here.
See.
Each one must have a different thing.
There. Whoa.
Whoa.
This is a rare.
Look who it is.
This is rare. This is rare.
Who is it?
Combo Panda is a rare guy. Guys, this is rare. Literally, this is rare. I'm not joking. This is actually rare. Ryan, did you not know I just got the rare Combo Panda? So this is actually pretty rare. I literally.
All right. Put him in your Jeep.
No, his head stuck. I got him. And look, yeah, he comes with a silver controller.
Whoa.
See?
Mm-hmm.
I think there's like more characters.
Yeah.
Now it's open the next one. Who's this? Who's this, guys? Comments below if you know who this is, because I don't know who it is.
Isn't that some professor? You don't know who that is?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I've never seen this character before.
Really?
Literally. Here's the next one. Oh! No, guys, this one's different, alright? Joshua, it's a different one.
Is
it's a
it?
mystery
Whoa.
squishy. Tarantula squishy. Tarantula squishy. We got normal Ryan.
Down on the ground.
We have normal Ryan.
Whoa.
Want to see how big his
This
face
one's
goes?
ready.
Toy.
After. Whoa. Put him in the Jeep.
Yeah. No, but he's a squishy.
Well, whatever.
Oh my gosh! He's looking the wrong way. Oh, I'm crashing. No. That's eating.
Here, I'll take that. I'll throw that away.
Look at this. He's look at this, guys. Pooch.
These two are ready. Don't open those right now. Because we gotta go to bed.
This one?
Yeah, those two are ready. Both of them are ready. Open it over here.
We have Alien Ryan.
Whoa.
We have blue Alien Ryan.
Look at that.
Guys, I'm blue Alien Ryan.
Blue alien.
No, that's like a squishy.
Yeah.
You can't really like. Is there another one I could open?
Yeah, right there. It's ready.
Oh, why am I? I opened one by myself now.
Nice.
Mystery tattoos! Look, I got Gus the Gummy Gator tattoo.
Nice.
I have the Ranger Lega label and Red Titan. Is there any more?
No.
Hmm?
I guess it's time for bed. We gotta go. Because we got school tomorrow, right?
But where's the guy who's supposed to be in the Jeep?
I don't know. You can put anyone in there. Look, he's got... One of them has feet holes, so it's this guy. This guy that goes in the Jeep, because it's got the holes in the feet. Does that one have feet hole too?
Yeah.
Oh, so you could put anyone in the Jeep. Anyone you want. Stickers. We got Gus. Ryan's World. Who's the Super Ryan?
His name is, I already told you. Red Titan.
Oh, Red Titan.
Look!
I forget.
They're like
Oh, yeah.
they're like those egg thingies. His legs just popped off, guys. What?
Look, you could put
Combo Panda in.
Combo Panda in there.
Oh my god, his head's stuck. We need that.
What the heck is that?
Huh?
What is that? For the Jeep? No, this.
No, it's a mocha controller.
Hmm?
It's a mocha controller.
No.
It's a patroller.
It looks like,
It's a patroller.
controller.
Controller. How do you get his head out? How do you get his blaster
It
out?
looks like binoculars.
Oh, they're not.
I don't know. Alright. Why don't you say bye because as we gotta go to bed.
No, I just need a put together alien.
Okay, but why don't you say bye because we gotta go to bed.
Bye, guys. It's me.